My name is Tina Rudinsky. I'm a senior manufacturing engineer here at Lord. Every day I get to solve problems. Sort of like a detective, just no blood and guts and gore.
My name's Chris Lang. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Lord Corporation in the mill room where we make elastomer.
So how does this machine achieve mixing of these compounds that are very difficult to mix? Basically two rotors inside the machine that turn into each other so that when you throw material on, it wants to mix around inside the machine.
My name is Scott Waite. I'm a production supervisor here at Lord. I have multiple manufacturing departments. Challenges that we face as a supervisor is we have very demanding customers, so they're looking to get their parts on time as quickly as possible, and balancing the suppliers and the operations and getting through manufacturing on time to deliver to our customers is difficult.
One of the first things we do is set up the manufacturing process to mix and mill elastomer. So one of the best ways I can explain it is to use the analogy of making cake batter. If you've ever baked cookies or made cake batter at home, you know you have to combine all your ingredients in a certain way. You have to weigh out all your ingredients carefully, and then you have to mix them until a certain texture consistency is achieved. Mixing elastomer is very similar. We do 100% testing on all our materials, and a big red flag will go up if anything's out of tolerance.
The coolest part about manufacturing is taking a raw material, so rubber from a tree or metal that's been ored, and turning it into something like this, where you have a full rotor that allows a helicopter to fly.
What's so important about manufacturing? Hey, everything we use has to be manufactured somewhere.
What I think is so cool about manufacturing is being able to be a part of the development phase, producing the part, and actually having something tangible in your hands to see that you feel pride and I had a chance to be a part of making that part and that product. So that's what's very cool with regards to manufacturing.